Good morning, dear children. Once again, welcome to the Poetry Club. Today, we are going to read a very interesting poem. Do you know who is the author of the poem? It is written by Ruskin Bond. Do you know, children, that Ruskin Bond is a very famous Indian author? Let's go through one of his great works. The name of the poem is These Simple Things. This poem will tell us that how simple things in life create a world of happiness around us. बेटा this poem will tell us कि छोटी छोटी simple things जो होती है ना हमारी लाइफ में वो भी हमें बहुत happiness देती हैं, वो भी हमें बहुत joy देती हैं. Let's read the poem together. First stanza. The simplest things in life are best. A patch of green, a small bird's nest, a drink of water, fresh and cold, the taste of bread, a song of old. These are the things that matter most. Now, beta, here the poet is saying that simple things mean simplicity in life, makes us happy from inside. Like a patch of green means like a piece of land covered with green grass. बच्चे when we see a grassy land, जब आप कोई grass से भरी हुई land देखते हो, we feel good. Yes, isn't it? Okay. Watching a small bird's nest also gives pleasure to us. जब हम एक small bird का nest देखते हैं, तो वो भी हमें बहुत pleasure देता है. और आप अपनी मम्मा को क्या बोलते हो when you see a small bird's nest? Mama, look, there is a nest. Yes. Okay. Then the poet is saying a drink of water, fresh and cold. Now here the poet is saying that maybe during the summer time when you drink fresh and cold water, it makes you refreshed from inside. And this is the world's best happiness that you get at that moment, isn't it? Okay. A song of old. The taste of bread. Here, beta, the taste of bread means the simple food that you eat makes you full. Means you are satisfied by eating a simple food. A song of old. When you hear the evergreen old songs, they even refresh your mind and gives you joy. Okay, so the poet is saying that these simple things in life are very important and they matter the most. जो छोटी छोटी सिंपल चीज़ें होती हैं ना बेटा हमारी लाइफ के अंदर वो बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती हैं. ठीक है. सो ही इज ट्राइंग टू से दैट वी शुड नॉट रन आफ्टर द मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स. ओके. The things that look very graceful, beautiful, not only those things give us happiness, but the special things also, the simple things also give us happiness, and we should be satisfied with that. Let's come to the next stanza. The laughter of a child, a favorite book, flowers growing wild, a cricket singing in a shady nook, a ball that bounces high. Okay, now here the poet is saying that the laughter of a child, when you see a child laughing, you feel happy. Yes, a favorite book. When you see your favorite book, you also feel happy. You say, look, this is my favorite book. I like to read this book. Yes. Flowers growing wild. Flowers growing wild means when the flowers bloom to their full and with flying colors. They look very beautiful. A cricket singing in a shady nook. A cricket is an insect. When the cricket sings means it gives out its sound. It looks like he is singing. It is singing in a shady nook. Nook is a sheltered place in a corner. Corner में कुछ shelter वाली place होती है तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं nook. And when the cricket sings in a shady nook, it makes you feel happy. A ball that bounces high. When you play with your ball, basketball, or you play with your ball, then what happens when the ball bounces and it goes up high? It feels very good. It gives you joy. Now let's come to the last stanza, that is the third stanza. A summer shower, a rainbow in the sky, the touch of a loving hand, and time to rest. These simple things in life are the best. Now here beta, the poet is saying that when you have a sudden shower during the summer, it makes you feel happy again. Means समर्स में बेटा कितनी ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है ना, एंड व्हेन यू टेक अ शावर ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम तो आपको कितना अच्छा फील होता है. यू फील रिफ्रेश्ड व्हेन यू टेक शावर इन समर्स. अ रेनबो इन द स्काई. आई एम श्योर यू feel so happy when you see a rainbow in the sky. And what do you do when you see a rainbow? I'm sure you click pictures and make videos for those lovely memories. Yes? Then आप लोग उसकी pictures लेते हो rainbow की, enjoy करते हो with your friends and see the rainbow. Then the touch of a loving hand. And बच्चे over that, when you have a touch of your beloved ones, maybe your mother, your father, your sibling, isn't it amazing? That feel is amazing, I think. Yes? बेटा जब आपको कोई बहुत प्यार वाला टच मिलता है, मे बी वो आपकी मम्मा से, आपके पापा से, आपके ब्रदर या सिस्टर से, वो फीलिंग कितनी अमेजिंग होती है और वो कितना अच्छा लगता है. ओके, एंड टाइम टू रेस्ट. एंड वेन यू हैव एम्पल ऑफ टाइम टू रेस्ट, बहुत ज़्यादा आपके पास टाइम होता है रेस्ट करने का, इट गिव्स योर माइंड पीस, है ना. वो आपके माइंड को कितना पीस देता है. सो बेटा द पोएट इज सेइंग दैट दीज सिंपल थिंग्स इन लाइफ आर बेस्ट. सो द पोएट इज ट्राइंग टू कन्वे अ मैसेज थ्रू दिस पोम दैट we get to know that simple things in life matter the most. We should not run after the graceful things, the beautiful things, because the simple things can also make us happy if we see them hopefully. अगर हम उन चीज़ों को ध्यान से देखेंगे तो हमें लगेगा कि वो भी हमें चीज़ें attract कर रही हैं. Those things also attract us. Okay, I hope you have understood this poem. It's a very interesting poem. Revise it once again, watch the video carefully, and you will get to know the poem. Thank you.